Okay guys, I want to assure you that it's not difficult, alright? Someone DM'd me on my WhatsApp and he said, Mr. King D Update, can you please make a video on how to become a professional blogger, alright? And that is why we are making this video. So I want you to just stay tuned as we walk you step by step on how you can become a professional blogger and you start making your videos, posting your videos on your channels, on your pages. Then you'll be getting views and all that. And before you know it, in a short while, you will just monetize your channel like all these popular comedians like VDM and the rest, all right? So stay tuned as we do it together. Okay guys, 3 different ways how you can create this kind of video you just watched now. I want to show you 3 different ways, 3 different patterns how you can create this kind of video you just watch now. All right, I want to show you step by step, precept by precept, so stay tuned. All right, but before we get started, I want you to like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, that is if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, I mean, go and locate your notification bell and click it. YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, now let's dabble into the tutorial. Okay, guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either landscape or portrait mode. Then after that, you just walk into the scene. Look at me there. You take your position, you sit down wherever you want to sit. Then you say all the things you want to say about the video you want to speak about. All right, so that is how to become a blogger. That is how to record your video. Just when you see that, you know all the things you want to say about the video you want to talk about. Just talk about all the things you want to talk about, and after saying all you want to say, the next thing is you walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, guys. So at this point, locate where you want this video to start from. All right, before you enter the car, click this video, make a split, delete this first part. All right, so this point, let us locate where we want the video guys, to end, I want to assure or to you stop. That all right, not difficult. All right, this is how it's going to play. So go to where you want it to stop. Before you go down, click here now, make a split, delete the last part. So guys, come back now. You want to click on overlay to import the video you want to talk about. Click on overlay, add overlay now. Locate the video you want to talk about here. This is the video, just import it to workspace. Click on volume now. You reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. So this is the video you want to talk about. Click it and position it to where you want it to be in this your video. It is your choice here. Any position you want it to be, position it there. So this is how it's going to play. Okay, but guys, what we are going to be doing now is to make this video to cover the whole of our video. Let's locate duplicate now, so that we duplicate this video we are talking about now, so that it will cover the whole video. Duplicate it, make sure it cover the whole of your video. This is it here. So at this point now, this is how it's going to be. So these things I am saying, let us zoom now. I am talking about the video. So this is how to create it. All right, so at this point, what we are going to be doing is to click on export now, because this part, this very first one, is ready. Now what we are going to be doing is to export this one, so that I will go and show you the second way, or the second part of the video, how to create this video, the second way on how to do that. So at this point, come back now and click on export. Then you export this video. As you can see, it's exporting. A size patient, allow it to export completely. Okay, just a size patient. Now this video I've exported to your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Click on that done there. Let me show you how to create the second part of the video. So click on done now. Just click on done, then click on done, guys. Click on done, then you click on new project. All right, so let's just say you want people to have a clearer view of this video you want to talk about now. So what we are going to be doing is to go and import the video we want to talk about. You want people to have a clearer view of what you are talking about. Import the video to your workspace. Locate volume, guys. Let us silence the voice or the volume there, because that is what we want to talk about. The video we want to talk about. So click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back. All right, now click on add overlay, then you import your own video. That is your very self. Locate where you want yourself to start from, where you want to start talking about this video. Click it and make a split. Delete this first part, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. So at this point, let us duplicate that first one to cover our video. All right, so you locate duplicate. Now look for duplicate, guys. Locate duplicate, click on duplicate. You can duplicate it to 2 or 3. So you come and click this one and make a split. Then you trim it to be equal with this one, make it align. Then after that, the beauty part of it is that this your own video is movable. You can move it to any position you want it to be. You crop it, you move it to any position you want it to be. But before you record this video, you know what you want. So when recording your video, you record your video to be professional, record it to be okay. So you can click
guys,
this your own video, the second layer, right? It is movable. You can adjust it to anywhere you want it to be. Can decide to put it at the center, this place where it is now. Can decide to take it up. Look at where I placed it now. You can decide to even bring it down to this extreme end here. It depends on you. All right, it depends on you what you want people to see, the kind of video you want to create. All right, this is how to become a blogger. You bring what is happening out there, you make record voice over it, then you create your video. All right, this is it. So at this point, I'm going to be showing you the third part. Click on that X there, click on that S, click on new project again. Let me show you the third way of how to create this video. Go and bring in that video we want to talk about. This is it. We are still going to silence the volume. Click it and locate volume. Click on volume now. You reduce it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back. You click on overlay and import your own video. Add overlay now. Import your own video to workspace, guys. So at this point now, this is your video. You want to do the necessary adjustments. All right, locate where you want it to start from, make a split, delete this part, click this one and drag it. Then you come here now, click here, make a split and delete this part. Okay, click here and make it to align. All right, so at this point, guys, we want to click on the video and go and look for remove BG. All right, I don't want all this car inside this car to show any other thing. I just want only the character to show. Click on remove BG auto remover. Now you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying. Look at it. Inside the car has disappeared. What is remaining there now is only the character. All right, so when recording your video, you know the kind of video you want to make. So when recording your video, you record your video to be professional. All right, now when this BG remove, now it will be only the character that will be remaining there. You can adjust the character anywhere you want to adjust him. Let's wait. Now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Look at it now. It is only the character that is showing now. This is the third way on how you can make this kind of video. All right, you can decide to click it now and drag it to wherever you want to drag it. That character there yourself is draggable. Don't mind that seat you are seeing there or that thing you are still seeing there is because of the way the video is recorded. That is why I said, if this is the how you want to record, how you want to make your video, record it to be professional, so that when you remove your BG, there will not be anything that will be showing there. All right, if you don't know how to do that, DM me. I am going to put you through on how to record your videos so that it will be okay. All right, so at this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect and every other effect. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Okay, now guys, tell us what you make up of this tutorial or the video you just watched earlier. What do you think is omitted? What do you think we should have added? Go and drop that at the comment section. And just in case you have a magic tricks or CapCut effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section as well. You might be lucky, I might pick yours. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial, guys. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.